Hello, this is Benjamin, and today I will be walking you through how to set the order of all of the catalogs that you see on the new models page of your site. First, let's go ahead and scroll down to Showcase. We'll click on Showcase. Once you get into Showcase, let's go into Brand Editor. Now, by default, it will be set to sort alphabetically, so you will want to switch that to sort as sequenced. And here's what you can do. Let's say that you have a brand that is lower in the alphabet, but it is insanely popular. Let's say it's Yamaha. You can drag that all the way up to the top. Great. Now, let's say for Yamaha, there we are. Now let's say for Yamaha, the initial picture that you see when you get onto the new models page, if you don't like the initial picture that shows up for Yamaha when you get onto the new models page, and let's go take a look at an example, this one right here, you do have the ability to change that picture. So let's jump back. Let's go and click on the small picture of mountain and moon, and you have the option of either using a stock image from Yamaha, or if you have one yourself that you want to upload from your computer, you certainly can. But for now, let's go with select from stock, and it should bring up quite a few images for you. Now you've got some different types. You've got lifestyle images, that's people out using this thing. You've got studio images, which are nice and clean and cut. Anyway, let's go ahead and pick something that looks a little bit more exciting. Let's use this one. Great, now that that's gone through and auto-saved, because you'll notice there is no save at the bottom, we'll go ahead and click on the name of our business and run that publish changes. Once that publish goes through, there we are, jump back to our site, refresh the page, and now we have that new, more exciting picture that's there. Great, we'll jump back to our brand sequence editor. Now that is not all you can do. Let's go ahead and go into types, and for each one of these, you can change where it is. So let's say that right now street bikes are the hottest selling thing. You can move that all the way up to the top. And then underneath street bikes, let's say that we want to take a look at the classes of street bike underneath there. And so they have all of these. Now let's say that there is a particular type of street bikes that are more popular. So let's go and say the sport touring is one of the most popular. Sure. Now let's say that we want to change the picture out for the class of sport touring. We can go ahead and click on the little mountain and moon once again, and let's select from stock, and let's go with this one just because it's different. Now that that has auto-saved, go ahead and click on the name of our business once again, and publish changes. Now, we'll go ahead and jump over here, refresh our page. Once that completely refreshes, we'll jump into Yamaha, and we now can see that their sport touring is first. We can see that it uses the image that we wanted it to, and if we click on new models, you can see that they have the images here. Now, these most internal images, in other words, you stepped all the way down the breadcrumbs, all the way down the stair steps, and you've got as specific as you can underneath the Yamaha street bikes, and you're down to these specific models. You are not able to change the picture that is here, but if you're in your product manager, you would be able to change the price or simply completely eliminate one of these, exclude it off the site temporarily if you didn't want it there. Let's jump back to our editor, back to our dashboard. That is all I have for you today, folks. As always, thank you very much for your very valuable time. Bye-bye now.